Hi, this is Sabari from Ferrament Global. I am taking care of sales and application in Ferrament Global. So these are the Die and Mould products we are currently having in our portfolio, and we do uh, machining tools for graphite machining also. So the diamond coated tools which are used for graphite machining, and we are currently supplying to most of the customers in and around Tamil Nadu. And these are aerospace tools we have manufacturing in our hand, and it is giving a performance equivalent to other top brands in the market. And we represent the Albridge precision holder from Germany. We are the pan-India representation for these holders, and we are also incorporated with Zoller India. So currently we are working with them in selling Zoller also. And these are the micro tools, and we are work in our portfolio. We are starting with an 0.6 diameter of tools within a long reach, and these are the tools which is ready in stock in our Chennai office. And yesterday's Alucast expo was great to us, and we are expecting the second day will be more good.